This shocking tomato planting trick is taking over gardens in 2025, and it's about to completely change how you grow your tomatoes. Welcome to the channel, plant lovers. If you're tired of dealing with slow-growing, spindly tomato plants, then you're in for a treat. I've discovered a game-changing method that's not only faster and easier than traditional planting, but it also promises bigger, healthier tomatoes with minimal work. Trust me, when you see the results, you'll wonder why you didn't try this sooner. So let's get started. What's the trick? The secret? It's called deep trench planting, and while it's not brand new, it's getting a modern upgrade this year with smarter techniques and better timing. In 2025, gardeners are combining this old-school method with companion planting and organic amendments for game-changing results. But let's start with the basics. Deep trench planting means planting your tomatoes starts sideways in a shallow trench, not straight down. Tomatoes are unique. Unlike most plants, they grow roots all along their buried stems. So when you bury a larger portion of the stem horizontally, it develops a much bigger root system, leading to a stronger, faster-growing plant. And the best part, this setup gives your tomato plant better access to nutrients, more stability, and improved water absorption. Paired with basil or marigold companion planting, which repels pests and boosts growth, this method is turning heads in 2025 gardening circles. It's low maintenance, budget-friendly, and ideal for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. How to do it? So how do you do it? It's easier than it sounds. First, gather your essentials. Healthy tomato seedlings. Look for strong stems, not leggy ones. Compost-rich soil, a digging tool, and optional companion plants like basil, marigold, or chives. These not only deter pests, but enhance tomato flavor and growth. Step 1. Dig a shallow trench about 6 to 8 inches deep and twice as long as your tomato plant's stem. Remove the lower leaves from your seedling, leaving the top 2 to 3 sets. Then lay the plant sideways in the trench, gently bending the tip upward. Don't worry, tomatoes are flexible and will naturally grow toward the sun. Step 2. Backfill the trench with soil, making sure the stem is fully covered except for the top leaves. Water the area deeply, then add a layer of mulch to keep moisture in and weeds out. If you're planting in containers, make sure the pot is at least 18 inches deep and follow the same trench-style technique in a curved shape. Add slow-release organic fertilizer like bone meal or worm castings for an extra boost. Varieties that benefit most from this trick include Roma, beefsteak, brandywine, and celebrity tomatoes. These tend to grow larger and need stronger root systems to support their size and yield. The results. So what kind of results can you expect? Within 10 to 14 days, you'll see a visible difference. The plant will look sturdier, leaves will appear fuller, and new growth will speed up. Since the root system is stronger and spread out, the plant can access more nutrients and moisture, even in unpredictable weather. By the 4th week, flowering starts earlier than usual, and fruiting follows faster. Gardeners using this method in 2025 are reporting 25% faster growth, larger tomatoes, and fewer issues with diseases like blossom end rot and root stress. Some even saw their harvest double compared to traditional planting methods. One gardener in Florida said her tomatoes hit maturity almost 2 weeks earlier, and she didn't lose a single plant to wilting or fungal issues all season. That's the power of helping your plants grow smart from the root up. So now you know the 2025 tomato trick that's transforming gardens everywhere. Try it out and let me know how it works for you. And if you're serious about getting the best harvest this year, don't miss my next video on boosting tomato flavor naturally. You'll never go back to store-bought again. Happy planting, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your garden wins in the comments.